Alright everybody, so we're back at it on the Miata, and I was going to show you what I did actually yesterday, or day before yesterday. I took out the power steering pump, so the whole power steering pump's out, and I put everything back right where it was, the brackets and everything, and yeah, so that's out. It's over here on the ground. Here it is. Get rid of that thing. Busted a bolt on top. So there's that busted bolt. It was on here, like so. But yeah. So that's out, and I'm going to change out a sway bar link right now, because when I was working on the car the other day, I noticed the sway bar link is busted. And if you don't know what a sway bar link is, that's what it is. This is a new one. So I'm gonna replace that real quick. Won't take long. I already jacked the car up and loosen the lug nuts. So the sway bar link is literally like right here, right behind the tire. The whole thing is like busted off. It's weird. This is my first time changing a sway bar link. There she is. Well, you can see it or not, but there it is. Just busted right off. It's supposed to just go right on there. Like so. This is how it's supposed to go on. This way we're on. This thing. It's supposed to be connected onto here. I don't know why it's just popped off. It's weird. I would think the bolt should go all the way through the sway bar thing, but guess not. It's kind of cheap, I guess. I gotta loosen that and take that off, and it's my first time doing it, so I don't know too much about what's gonna happen. I guess I'm gonna start loosening the bolts and see what happens. I'm gonna grab a little breaker bar. Alright. Is there a nut in back or something? What the heck is on back? No, nothing. Let me just try to loosen this. See what happens. It's gonna pull hard. Oh, there it goes. See this old one has like an Allen in the end of the bolt, and then you have to use a wrench to get the nut off. So let me go grab some Allen wrenches. Alright, I'm back. Now, since I see how this thing works, and it looks pretty damn rusty too, put some WD-40 on here. Video. A little WD-40 in here. That should be good. Probably put some on the bottom too. That bottom one looks pretty bad too. Hopefully these things come off easy. Brake. And there's a 14mm wrench. I'm not even gonna be able to budge it. Oh, I got it. Hell yeah. Sweet. Let that WD-40 get in there a little. Rocket. I got my drill out with like an Allen head drill tip and just put it on tighten, which will tighten this Allen wrench and it would just zip it right out. Alright, it's off. Hey. And this Allen wrench I had to really shove in there too. There we go. There we go. Now let's get this bottom one since I'm kind of know what I'm doing now. Somewhat. Try to get you closer, see? I'm trying to break it loose first. How I did the other one. The breaker bar. That'll break it loose from the actual mount. So I'm going to use this breaker bar with a socket just to spin it some. Oh damn, that was tight. Spray a little more. I'll have to clean the driveway off now. There's WD-40 dripping on it. Alright. At least it's better. Let's see. I'm gonna try this little trick right here. See if it'll work. Let's stick this in here, like so. I'm gonna stick that Allen back in there and turn it a direction that it will break free. This will work. Or this cheap ass wrench is gonna break. Look. Did it work? I don't know. It turned pretty easy once it did move. Let's try again. Oh yeah. Got it loose. It worked. Hell yeah. Now I can do this. Tight. Dang, this one's coming off easier. Just turning the Allen wrench and it's coming off. Alright. It's loose. Got it. It's out. Hell yeah. About time. Only took me like freaking 20 minutes to loosen these two things and figure it out. So let me show you guys what happened now. Move this out. How does that? Let's see. So this thing just came out of this. Like, what's supposed to be holding it? Like these little things? I don't get it. That seems pretty stupid. It's like rubber or plastic holding these things in here. See, a new one has a nut right here that I can grab onto. It doesn't have this stupid Allen. So hopefully this one goes in. Let's see how it fits. Let's see how this new one fits in here. I don't know if there's one side that's supposed to be up and one side that's supposed to be down or not. Is there any lettering on here? Not really. I guess it only fits in one way, maybe? So, like that. How the hell? I gotta push this thing up. Must be how it goes. Alright, fit it in there. Now there's those two little nuts at. Alright. Got one here. Oh man, this one's gonna be a pain in the butt. Getting it back in there. this on as much as I can by hand. Now, what size wrench is it? 14. We got 15 on the inside, 14 on the outside. Oh yeah, I bought this sway bar link from AutoZone. It is ridiculously expensive in my mind, but I'm not sure. It's like $41 I think I spent just for this one. Like, I think in my head, like $41 should be for both. Alright, so that one's pretty tight. Now let's drop down to this bottom one, down below. That's tight. That's good. Now, since the other ones were pretty damn tight, I had to use a breaker bar. I'm just gonna tighten this one up pretty good too. I'm gonna use the breaker bar to tighten it. Hopefully I don't break it. Alright, so that's a good little snug on it. The breaker bar, it's not, I didn't do it crazy, but I did it pretty damn good. So this one, since I don't have a torque wrench yet, it's one thing I wish I had. I need to figure out actual torques everything should be. Buy a whole freaking like torque handbook for this car. That'd be cool. Alright. So that's getting snug. Steering pump out. Let's look at this other sway bar link. Where's it at? There it is. There's the other side, the old one. It's still connected. It's alright. Everything else looks alright on there. Looks good. So, next thing I'll show you is the other day too, when I took the power steering pump out. I just put my new antenna on. Real carbon fiber. Yeah. It's a lot better than this long metal one. This thing was like, what is this? 3 feet long. It's stuck up like 2 feet higher than the whole car. So next thing I'll be working on is these rims. It's gonna be probably one of the next videos. I'm gonna work on these rims. I'm gonna clean them up more, strip all the rest of the old paint and crap as much as I can, and clean them off good. And I'm gonna spray them, primer them, paint them. I got my caps. I gotta put my caps back on that go in here, and I have brand new what do you call it, the silver rings that go around. It's like a hubcap, but I just got the rings, the silver ring that goes all the way around. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna look real good. And these tires, I still need to do something on these things. Look how bad those are. I don't even know if you could see them, but holy shit, those things are so bad. Somebody had these inside their house, letting them rot forever. I'm gonna do a burnout and just blow them off. I mean, like shooting dust. Alright. A little spot here on the soft top. I fixed that. I fixed the tear that was right there. Got the silicone stuff. This for high temp silicone stuff I put on. I just put some silicone, and I got the touch-up paint from doing the touch-up paint on the car. I had a little touch-up paint on a couple little tiny areas, And I use the touch-up paint on the actual silicone too. It kind of blends in a little bit, but doesn't look bad. And one other thing is I want to try to spray a little clear coat on the side of this car. I don't know if you guys have any suggestions on if it'll work or whatnot, but here's the side of the car that I guess got a lot of sun at one point, and you can see where the clear coat all came off. Like, it's like an ugly side of the car right here. It's literally like this one front panel and this door. It's the only ugly part of the car. You see all this is missing the clear coat. All this part right here. You can see the line going across. So I'm gonna try to clean it off one day real good. Maybe an area like this one, and where all the clear coat is missing right here, this one area, I'm gonna clean it off real good. I'm gonna just maybe get some spray paint, clear coat, maybe just spray a little on, maybe just this one area right here, just to see if it'll kind of look better or somewhat the same as the rest of the car. But I don't know if that'll work. But I guess that's it for this video. I'm gonna hang this thing up, or I'm gonna just shove this tire back on, drop it back down, go for a little spin, and that's it. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me some suggestions on some other things that I'm gonna do to the car. Maybe like the rims, the paint, and I don't know, anything else. Let me know. I'll see you guys later.